I started my day at 8:51 with a ride on the X18 leather bus from Sea Houses to Tweedmouth Astor Post Office. The journey took around 40 minutes, so I calculated my time of arrival at ASDA to be approximately 9:31. Once I got off the bus, I walked into Astor to deposit 25 into my bank account. After completing that task, I headed towards my next destination, Golden Square, by taking the Borders Buses Service SPE 1004. The journey on this Peugeot e-bus was pretty short. Next, I decided to grab a drink at Costa. I ordered a caramel cortado single espresso with ultimate blend milk, signature style coffee. Off at Lionheart Business Park, I treated myself to a McDonald's meal. I ordered the McCrispy BBQ Steakhouse large meal with a chocolate milkshake, costing a total of $8.50. Afterwards, I captured some footage of the A1 with cars passing by. Then, I hopped on the Glen Valley for 172 bus to Alnwick, where I took a quick break and explored a bit before catching the travel show for 118 back to Sea Houses. During the journey, I enjoyed the stunning scenery of fields and the coastline. As I got off at Sea Houses, I had to bid farewell to 11 weeks of buses due to industrial action by the Go Northeast drivers, who rejected an insulting deal. I hope you enjoyed the video. Why don't you give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe? And don't forget to click on the notification bell. See you next time.